gotta do the intro. What is up, guys? We're doing a
What
game
is up?
party if you and we're gonna do all of that, and it's gonna be so insane. And just before we start, can you please subscribe? Because we're so dead.
I'm sorry.
What the? I guess we're just starting, so let's go.
I'm so fat, look. I bet I can lift this down. Bro,
You joking, man?
Yo.
Drive.
Yo.
I'll save you. Don't you worry. It's okay. You've got to be joking me. Okay, don't you? I'll get you this time. Grab on, bro. Grab on. Cause I'll land on you. It's okay.
It's
Okay,
okay,
don't you-
baby. I know.
Okay,
Let go. No, bro, I'm not gonna make it.
it's just a leap of
I
faith.
can't even jump with you on my head.
What's up, danger? I'm just too good. What happened to? Why you just? What? Why are you just all blue? What
do you
happened?
mean?
You're just all blue. Oh, that's crazy. Goodbye. I'm going to go complete this game. Oh, you've got. Okay. Okay, someone like delete that. Like, no one saw that. Ooh, okay. Roll it. Damn. Oh, that's good. You know. Okay, let's just move him out of the way. It's okay. I'm up. Put a thumbs up if you can hear me. I can't hear you. Are you speaking? Put a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up if you're specking. Put your thumb up. You're grounded now. Oh, bro, I'm sorry. No! Oh, I can hear you. Yeah, I guess. Why can you not speak in game? What? Can you not speak in game? This guy ain't gonna be. You guys ain't gonna be able to hear him, okay, boys? Because you can don't hear him, but you guys ain't. You've got to be kidding me. You're gonna pay for that. Okay, so it's go. Stop it! That's how strong I am. I can't die anymore. Okay, yeah. As I told you, I can't die anymore. When you fall into water, wait for the rescue by your own, dummy. Grab objects when falling. Come on, guys, don't let him on. Let's go. Whoa. That's not really nice. I know, I don't know why blue and pink. Oh. We'll make it out alive. Oh no, you've got to be joking, man. It's not funny. It's not funny. Stop it. Bro, could you please come up here and save me? Alright, please. Please come up here and save me, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please, please. That's crazy. No. Put your hand out. Ma. Just get your dummy to save you. Go your dummy. I ain't saving you. Hold my hand down. So. Is your dummy? Oh no. Oh. Wait, no. Ha, you ain't grabbing on. I want 10 trillion. Okay, well, I'll have to go save. I'm sorry, I don't think I can get over there anymore. I'm sorry, bro, but I had to. Whoa! I'm not. No. Why? What's mad? No. Where? Where's your dummy stuck? Oh crap! What? Where even are you? Where even? Bruce is still over there. I'm about to beat this before you even get saved. Green better. Green equal better. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Burr sees me beating it. No. Come on, bro. You ain't gonna do me like this. No. No, he's coming. Drive. Come on, bro. You can do it. I believe. You're actually doing it. Come on. Come on, boys. Yeah. Yeah. Get wings. What the? Wait, it's only for that one time. That's crazy. Oh, cute. Then- Can I fly? Oh god. Good. Look at you. no. Is he going to beat it? Oh, damn, he's actually just about... I can't allow this. Stop. Get... How do we disable wings? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it with my dummy instead, because I want to do that again. It's so fun. And green is obviously always the best boat. See how sweaty I am. Got a curve. Go, go, go. Bro, I'm just too good. Give me it. Oh. Okay, well, I've beaten it. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to end the video there, because that's kind of crazy, so. Goodbye, guys, and please subscribe. And one last thing.